Hello everyone, and you are most welcome to join our Software Quality Innovation channel. And it will be an honor to share our experience and knowledge with you. We have around 15 years of experience in both quality engineering and project management fields. Actually, one simple idea brought us here and inspired us to prepare this innovative channel for you. As you know, quality is the core of everything. And as a team, we can't face new technology challenges without improving, innovating, and investing in quality engineering. This is our ultimate goal here in Software Quality Innovation channel. In Software Quality Innovation, we are going to have beneficial courses, not only for quality engineers, but also for many other roles and positions, such as junior quality, quality manager or leader, developers, business analyst. So let's discuss all of them. Every year, we have a huge number of IT graduates and junior software engineers who are looking for a great opportunity in this market, whether it is in development, analysis, quality engineering, or any other field. But unfortunately, they don't exactly know where to start or what are the required skills that help them to find their desired job. Yeah, desired job. All of us are looking for a desired job, we can't deny this. But in fact, our desired job isn't something we find. Actually, it's something we design, build, keep practicing its best practices, and overcome all challenges and obstacles until we reach what we really deserve. The desired job is not something you just look for or grab it from the shelves. It's perseverance. Additionally, if you are a passionate quality manager or leader, aiming to build a competitive and powerful quality team, or aiming to improve quality standards and process, so you can lead your team to test the new technology trends with more confidence, our courses are for you. Especially if you share the same goal and passion of us, you have my words. Our courses will shed a spotlight on many important quality ideas that will be helpful along the way. On the other hand, if you are a super developer who thinks out of the box to sharpen your skills, writes code with quality in mind, increasing your code accuracy. Also, if you're aiming to open a healthy connection with the quality engineering team, who is responsible for testing and checking your code, you are in the right place too. Our courses will help you to write better quality code, execute better unit testing, and perfectly understand the quality team. Moreover, if you are an analyst, product manager, or the requirements guy who is responsible for writing software specifications or user stories, you are most welcome here at SKI. And before you are going to ask us why we are inviting you to watch our courses, we want to ask you simple questions. Have you ever thought about having clear, testable, and unambiguous requirements or user stories? Or have you ever thought about making everyone in your team understand the requirements and follow it without any misunderstanding? We believe that if you understand the quality team's roles, activities, and their unlimited quality mission, definitely, you will write the requirements with better quality. As a result, quality team will understand your requirements too. One more thing. We all know that customer satisfaction is your goal, and it's the quality team's goal as well. You both have a common goal. In Software Quality Innovation, we are going to talk about the latest trend of quality engineering and testing, the testing types, automation tools, process, and others. We will go through many practical exercises with potential quality ideas. Altogether, we'll go step by step until we reach our ultimate quality goal. Here in SKI, we promise to give you well-crafted, useful, creative, motivated, and well-animated courses to always catch your attention, improve your skills, and innovate your own business. Trust me, this is going to be an exciting journey, and it will be our honor to invite you all to SKI, Software Quality Innovation. Please subscribe with our channel. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Finally, we truly believe that quality is the core of everything.